Arvind Kejriwal, who's just exited the residence of Delhi LG. It appears that the deal is done. Does that mean, could I safely conclude that Arvind Kejriwal has resigned as the Chief Minister? And we saw only Kejriwal leaving alone. That's interesting to see him alone, seated in a car. He just left here. The car just literally whisked away, taking Arvind Kejriwal alone. There was nobody else in the vehicle, and I don't see anyone else following either. So it appears that Arvind Kejriwal has technically resigned, because that's what he's come here for. Arvind Kejriwal technically has resigned. He's left from the Delhi LG's residence. No other car following him, nobody else accompanying him. Arvind Kejriwal left the Delhi LG's residence and office alone. The development that we see right from here at the epicenter, Atishi is still inside the governor's office while Arvind Kejriwal has departed. Arvind Kejriwal leaves alone without anyone accompanying him. He's just exited from here while Atishi is still inside the Delhi LG's office. The cabinet ministers are still inside the office. It appears that Arvind Kejriwal has just given his resignation. The letter of resignation has been given to the Delhi LG. It's now over to his cabinet ministers and the interim chief minister. It's about time for a formal announcement from the Delhi LG. A date likely to be confirmed on when Atishi will be taking oath as the chief minister, and of course her new cabinet, which likely will be the same largely, except for maybe 2 new additions is what I hear. But Arvind Kejriwal has formally resigned as the chief minister of Delhi after much over a decade. We're looking at Arvind Kejriwal, who's just left the Delhi LG's residence. He's now departed. We're not too sure about his whereabouts, but he just left the Delhi LG residence where he was escorted alone without any security. Let me stress on this fact that Arvind Kejriwal, who was the chief minister for much over a decade of the national capital Delhi, just left the governor's office without any security, alone in his black car, without any of his leaders escorting him, nobody following him. He just sat alone and left the Delhi LG's office. At this point, we have Atishi, who's still inside, along with her cabinet of ministers. Atishi and the AAP delegation is still inside the governor's office, while Arvind Kejriwal has left. Huge development coming in, and a confirmation, of course, showing that Arvind Kejriwal has tendered his resignation and has left the governor's office. Very strategic, as we know that Arvind Kejriwal has always called himself a people's man, a common man, never wanted a position of power, never wanted the chief minister's chair, was never hungry for that kind of power and elevation. That man has now given his resignation at the Delhi LG's office, the governor's office, and he decides to leave alone without any security. There's nobody who accompanied him. He literally got into the car right after tendering his resignation and has just left the governor's office. Very interesting development, and to see that Arvind Kejriwal in every moment of what he does is tactful, is strategic, and is posturing. That's a clear given now, considering that the man who otherwise was always with security, escorted by his security forces, considering he was the chief minister, the man has left alone in his car without any escort, without any security personnel seated beside him. No car front or back. There was absolutely no convoy that escorted Arvind Kejriwal outside the Delhi LG office. It was just him in that black car. It appears to be his personal vehicle. It was just him alone with the driver, who whisked away from the governor's office. We're not too sure exactly where he's headed towards, but I'm going to repeat myself multiple times here, because this is certainly strategic and posturing. Arvind Kejriwal leaves the Delhi LG office alone without any security and nobody accompanying him. It's now Atishi who's inside the LG office along with her cabinet of ministers. They are inside, and it appears that their support to Atishi as the interim chief minister is what's being discussed. We see a lot of media frenzy here. I'm trying to understand, of course, what exactly is happening there. I'm unable to head towards the front, but all right, okay. I'm told that Atishi, Kejriwal left, I know, but Atishi is standing right in front. All right, so in just a moment, Saurabh Bharadwaj, Gopal Rai and Atishi are standing right there. Please be prepared for them to begin talking to the media. This will be an official confirmation that will come in from the trio. Atishi, of course, as the Chief Minister interim right now, will declare before the media. We're waiting for her to speak, stressing on the fact, again, that Arvind Kejriwal has just left the governor's office. He's left alone without any escort or anyone accompanying him. He's now no more the chief minister, it appears, after tendering his resignation, therefore does not find the need now to have security beefed up around him. He's alone, all to himself, free to do what he likes. He wanted this. He said he wanted this. He wanted to move door to door, campaign ahead of Delhi elections. Haryana is also upcoming. Arvind Kejriwal has been strategic. Some could say this is a master stroke. Some, like the BJP, would say out of compulsion. He had no choice. He had no powers as the chief minister. So he would, in few months before elections, him stepping down is nothing but out of compulsion. Whatever it may, Arvind Kejriwal today is a free man. He's moved out of the Delhi LG's office.